Hi, I'm Nikhil from technery.com, and today we have a tech news. So Boult Audio Curve Pro has been launched for INR 1499. The consumer electronics brand Boult Audio has launched a new device into the Indian market. This is the Boult Audio Curve Pro. Let us have a look at the features of this device. This device is having IPX5 water resistance and can resist sweat and also handle splashes. As per the company, this device is able to provide 12 hours of playtime, which is amazing. It has vibration feature which is really helpful, so the users can enjoy the phone calls and be alert using the vibration notifications. It is having snug fit, so the earphones won't fall off while exercising or workout. As per the brand, it is able to block the external noises and provide the user a clear sound with richer bass beat experience. There is also an adjustable clip and flexible neckband, which is able to provide a customized fit for the user. With just 10 minutes of charging, these are able to provide a playtime of 100 minutes. They ensure high quality sound as they come with high class drivers. The driver is of 10 mm and it has Bluetooth 5.0. The weight of the device is only 95 gram. It takes around 80 minutes to completely charge the device. So the price is INR 1499. So if you want to purchase this device, kindly check out the link in the description below. You can also get discounts for sure in the future. Keep visiting our website, which is technery.com. Kindly like this video and do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.